Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to edit station details in the marine traffic application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the right. And then at the tools section, click on the settings button. And then click on the performance button. And then if you scroll down at the end, look for the station details button. And then just click on the show/hide tabs button. And within this you can set if you want to show or hide different station tabs. So for example, if you want to hide reception distance or max distance, then just click on the white circle next to them, and once they disappeared, it means that these functions are hidden. And if you're ready, just click on the white tick, and it is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.